In this example, we're going to look at calculating the ending inventory cost. So in front of you, you have a series of information that pertains to merchandise, but our job is to determine of that merchandise how much of that actually belongs in our ending inventory cost. So the easiest answer for that is to ask yourself who owns it. So if you, the company, owns it, then it does belong in your ending inventory cost. So cost of merchandise on the showroom floor and in the warehouse. That's inventory that the company owns. It's on our showroom floor and it's in the warehouse. So we would include the $43,600. Goods held on consignment. So you have to know the difference between consignment and consignor. If you're holding goods on consignment, you don't own them. The consignor is the owner. So that $6,400 would not be included in our ending inventory. However, the next one says as consignor, we are the consignor. So that $4,400 will be added into our ending inventory cost. Now the next two items, it's dependent on who owns the merchandise. And FOB shipping point and FOB destination tell us who owned the merchandise. So FOB shipping point actually means at what point the ownership of the merchandise changes hands. So if we shipped an item on June 29th, FOB shipping point, that means the minute we shipped it, we no longer own it. So that $3,800 is owned by the individual who we're shipping it to, so it is not part of our inventory cost. However, the June 5th that we shipped FOB destination. That means it's not going to change ownership until it reaches its destination, which is not until July 5th. So since we're doing ending inventory costs for the end of June, we own that $4,000, so we have to include that in our ending inventory cost. So here's kind of what it would look like. The cost of the merchandise we own, the $43,600. As the consignor, we own the $4,400. And then because of the FOB destination, we own the $4,000. So our ending inventory would be a total of $52,000.